What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Gold Neko B from Brawl Stars. Let's begin in the center of our page and draw two half ovals to the top edge of the eyes. So we start all the way out on the left side, go up towards the top, round out the eye, and then pull that down on the inside. Now we're going to leave a gap and draw the same thing on the right. So we're going to line this up, go all the way up toward the same height, round out the eye, and then come down towards the right. Let's close off the bottom of the eye with a curve. Starting on the outside, and come down, and bend that back up. Now on the inside of each eye, we're going to draw an oval for the pupil. Starting from the very top, come down toward the bottom, and pull that back up towards the top. Let's line this up on the right. And we'll fill the inside of the pupils in black. Let's move up to the top of the eye and add some thick lashes. On the inside edge of the eye, I'm just going to taper this, going up, come down towards the side, and do the same thing on the right. And then from the outside, angle up and out with a short line. And we'll curve the lash coming down and then bending that in. Let's fill the lashes in black. Let's draw two small ovals in an angle along the top of the eye. We're going to start on the left, come down, and back out. Let's line this up on the right. Going down, and then out. And we'll fill the eyebrows in black. Now I'm going to line up at the bottom edge of the eyes, move to the center and draw the nose. We're going to start on the left, curve this down, and then back up. Now we're going to step up and draw a short curve, going up and down the bridge of the nose. Let's move down and draw in the mouth. Starting back over on the left, curve the mouth coming down, and then up. Now we're going to move out to the side and add the whiskers. On the left, draw a short line going out, line this up on the right. I'm going to step down and angle these down and out. Let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. And line up the bottom corner of the eye, step out. Just going to curve this down, round up the chin, and go out, back up on the right. Let's draw two straight lines going up along the side of the head. We pull this up to right above there, and do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to move back to the center and draw the tuft of hair in the middle. Let's start over on the left, curve this down, and then up, add a smaller curve, coming down and up toward the side. Now I want to take this and flip it up along the top. So we're going to line this up on the left side going up and then down, and add that smaller curve. Let's close off the ends with a half circle, going out and then in, do the same thing on the right. Let's curve the helmet back in towards the side of the hair. Starting on the left, curve up and then in, line this up on the right, going out and then down. Now from the top corners, draw a short angle line, going up and out. Let's connect the ends with another curve going up above the hair. Go up in the middle, just round this out, go across, and then down. Let's go back over towards the left side, draw a straight line coming down, do the same thing on the right, and then we'll bend that back in towards the side of the head, rounding out the bottom and pulling that in. Now we're going to move out and draw the outside of the helmet. From this point, step out, draw a straight line coming down, And we'll round up the bottom and then pull that in towards the side of the head. Now I'm going to move back up and draw a large half circle for the top of the helmet. Starting on the left, go up, and then bend that in towards the middle. Round this out, and then come back down on the right side. Now we're going to place the ears on top of the helmet. From the outside of the helmet, we're going to step in, go up, and just bend that in towards the tip of the ear. Let's do the same thing on the right. We're going to line this up, going up, and then bending that in. And we'll curve the ears coming back in and down on top of the head. Start on the left, going in and then down. The same thing on the right. And then we'll trace the ears along the inside. Let's start from the bottom, step in, just follow that same curve going up, just leaving an even space gap all the way around. Now I'm going to go back and add that face inside the helmet. Let's start with 2 circles on either side, starting from the top left, go all the way around, and then back up. Let's line this up on the right. Let's go in between the eyes, draw a straight line going across the top of the nose, and we'll connect the ends coming down the middle, and then back up. Let's add in the mouth. Starting at the bottom of the nose, curve down, and then up on the left, go back to the center, come down, and up on the right. And we'll finish off the helmet with 2 small ovals on either side. Let's start on the left. We'll line this up on the right side. Let's add 2 points on either side of the helmet. Starting on the left, and go up and in. Taper that back out, and we'll leave a gap and do that again. Let's line this up on the right. Going up and back out. Draw that once more. Now that we complete the head, let's move down and draw on the body. We start underneath the chin with a circle for the bell. Going around, and then back up. Let's add a small circle in the center. Fill that in black. And then from the bottom of that center circle, draw a straight line coming down. Let's move to the side of the circle, draw the collar going out, spin that up underneath the head. Now from here we got the right hand on top of that gold coin in the center of the body. So let's start on the outside with the first finger. We're going to come down and then bend that up like a half oval. Come down towards the bottom, curve down the second finger, and then go up. Move over and draw the third finger coming down. I'm just going to pull this up towards the top of the hand and then bend that down on the outside. Let's draw the top of the coin in behind the hand. Starting from the inside, curve this up and then down. Then from the outside, we're going to round this out and then come back in towards the bottom. Go out, and bend that in. Go underneath the hand on the right, going out, and then in toward the same height. And we'll close off the bottom with a curve. Let's finish off the right arm. We're going to start from the side of the collar, curve the arm going out, and then down. Round up the elbow, and then pull that back in towards the side of the coin. And then go back up to the top of the arm, curve in and then down on top of the hand. Now we're going to move over and raise the left hand up along the side. So let's start from the inside of the thumb, curve this in and then out. Round up the tip of the thumb and pull that back out. And we'll curl 3 fingers along the top. Starting from the top of the thumb, go up, bend the finger coming down, round up the finger, and then pull that back up. Let's layer 2 more fingers going out toward the left. Starting from the top, and go up, down, tuck that in, Do that one more time. Let's go underneath the last finger, draw the hand going around, and just pull that in towards the bottom of the thumb. And I'm also going to add a small circle inside the palm, starting right in the middle, go all the way around, and back up. Let's layer a large cuff around the wrist, starting from the outside of the hand, pull this out, pull this in, back out, in behind the thumb. Now we want to connect the hand to the body, so let's start underneath the cuff on the left side, curve the arm coming down, and then in. Let's go back up underneath the collar on the left side, curve in and then down, go back up to the top, go out and then down in behind the hand. Now we're going to add a small fold on the inside of the arm, starting underneath the cuff, curve in and then down. Now we want to draw the side of the legs in behind the coin. So let's start underneath the arm on the left, curve the leg going out and then down, go to the right side, go out and then down towards the same height, and we'll curve the bottom of the foot, coming down and then in. Let's draw the tail coming out from the right side, starting down here, curve out and then up, step down, draw that twice, and close off the end with a half circle. Now I'm going to speed up this part of the video and add those symbols inside the coin. Let's start from the top. And there it is, there's a drawing of Gold Neko B. Now let's grab some markers and I'll show you how to color this in. Let's begin with this light skin tone and fill in the head. And we'll fill in the hair with this orange. And using that same color in the palm of the hand. And I'll fill the inside of the ears with our red. And the cuff around the sleeve, and then the collar. And then we'll fill the characters inside. Now with a light pink, we'll fill in the cheeks, and then using our dark gray inside the eyes and the nose. Let's fill in the vest with this bright green, and then the belt with this light blue. Now we'll go across the rest of the body with this bright yellow. And we'll finish off on the inside of the coin. And there we have it. That's how we draw and color Gold Neko B from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon.